Hi, I'm Holly from Cater-Kwik. This video is part of our Get Ready series where we're going to show you how to get ready for food service outside. So today we're going to show you the barbecue and some other equipment that can get you ready to cook outside. So we appreciate that you might not be wanting to invest in a lot of equipment obviously to get ready, because we've had to adapt so much over this past year. So this is why we've got this affordable equipment out, so you can adapt your business to either serve outside or do takeaways or self-service as well for your customers and stay safe. So the first thing about barbecues, obviously they're really versatile. You need to think about your menu, so what you're going to offer. Things that you can do on a barbecue is things like surf and turf. You can do burgers, you can do pork, you can do chicken, you can do ribs, you can do all sorts of things on the barbecue. Next you need to decide whether you're going to do self-serve or waiter service, or even takeaway as well. So we've got like a self-serve setup here where you can cook on the barbecue and then obviously move it across to the self-serve area. We've got this set up on one of our folding tables, so it's fully stainless steel, really easy to put away and obviously put up as well. So it's got a safety locking system, so when it is put up it won't fall down, it's locked in place. It's really sturdy, so if you want to put any equipment on there as well, it's not gonna fall over. It's also got rounded corners, so again, if your customers are walking past, they're not gonna hurt themselves. It's really smooth, so they're not gonna bash into it or anything like that. We've also got this hot dog machine, so we thought this would be quite handy for you if you were wanting to do sausages on the barbecue, and then you can put them straight into the hot dog machine. It's got a really clear display so the customers can see what's cooking in there, and it makes it a bit more theatrical and they can help themselves to it. This particular model, it's got bun spikes, so it'll keep the buns warm, and then obviously the hot dogs will stay warm as well. It's also got a water bath as well to keep the hot dogs moist, so they're not going to dry out in there if they're not served for a while, and it'll keep them warm, obviously safe to serve temperatures. So moving on to the barbecue, this model that we've got here is the Cater-Kwik CK9111. It's really easy to fold away and put up, so obviously British summer weather, you're not going to have it up all the time. It's not always barbecue weather, so it's really easy to put away if you wanted to, and it folds completely flat, which I'll show you later. Other good things about this barbecue, it's piezo ignition, so really easy to light. There's a hole there where you can put your lighter in, and then obviously you just press the ignition and it lights the burner. It's got a single burner, so you can move the meat around the barbecue to, obviously if you want to rest some meat where you don't want it in direct heat. And you can also change the temperature on it, so you can regulate the temperature. So obviously when you're deciding on what barbecue to choose, you need to decide on the fuel. There's pros and cons to both. Obviously charcoal barbecues, you get a really smoky barbecue flavour. You do get that from the gas barbecues as well, because as obviously the fat heats up, it spits back into the meat, so it creates that taste. The other cons for the charcoal barbecues is they're really hard to light. Obviously you've got to light them a few hours before service so they're warm enough to cook on, and you can't regulate the temperature like you can on a gas barbecue. And then obviously the other end of service, when you need to put everything away, you need to wait for that charcoal to cool down before you can put anything away, and it's a lot of time. Whereas the gas barbecue, you just put it up, plug it in, it's ready to cook. It instantly heats up and you're ready to go. So now I'm going to show you how you fold this barbecue away and you can put it up, and then obviously how to install it as well. So first of all, you need to take the screw out the back. This is like a safety feature because you don't want the barbecue folding away while you're cooking on it. So take that out, and then you can easily just put the barbecue, fold the barbecue. You need to unhitch the legs and then it folds down, and then obviously you can transport it that way. It's got wheels, so you can move it around wherever you want it to, and obviously put it away as well. And then obviously when you put the barbecue back up, you need to just lift it up with the legs until they fold into position, and then you put your screw back in so it's safe. So connecting the barbecue. The barbecue comes with its install kit, so that's ready to go. So obviously this end with the regulator on goes into the gas bottle. Because it's going onto a gas bottle, you need to screw it counterclockwise. And you'll feel when there's no more resistance, and obviously you can see the regulator can move in and out, but once it's tight it won't move at all. And then obviously the other end, it comes with a clip. So you put that end into the barbecue, you push that on, and then you tighten the clip onto the barbecue as well, so it's safe and it won't come loose. Need a screwdriver to tighten that. Thank you for watching this video. Keep an eye out for more videos in our Get Ready series. We've got all sorts of advice on how to get your equipment back up and running, and obviously new equipment that you might need to get your food service up and running again. Thanks for watching. So to help you get ready, we are offering you an exclusive discounted package deal. This includes the CK9111 Cater-Kwik folding gas barbecue, the 1500mm wide folding stainless steel table, and 6 bottles of our Cater-Clean super cleaner, which was £445 plus VAT. And it's exclusive to you for £350 plus VAT, so you save £100. To get the deal, quote barbecue get ready to our sales team on 01229 48 0001. Thank you.